Right.
We need safe parking lots. That's on the way to the floor right now. That needs to be passed. You need to be able to put your handgun in your car when you go to work. Amen.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can everybody hear me?
Yeah.
We talked a little bit about gun-free zones. This is not a gun-free zone. You guys are standing in the safest place in the state of Tennessee right now.
Yeah, buddy.
Look around.
Yeah, buddy.
Be it Democrat, Tea Party member, it really doesn't matter. Us gathering here is the beginning.
Right.
And I want to make some noise right now. I want everybody in this building to hear us. So when I point at you, you're going to say as one as loud as you can. For this to be successful and to grow, we need to stand
As one.
Let's try it again. I like that. We need to stand
As one.
That's right. We need to vote
As one.
We can do it. This is just a start, but you got to get your friends and neighbors involved. There's people that are too scared to come forward. They don't want their name on some list, but some of us, before this is all over with, will likely be arrested. Some of us may be hurt. But as long as we stand together and grow, we can maintain the Second Amendment the way we want it. So let's all stand together.